In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete applied jobs on LinkedIn. Welcome back. If you've applied for numerous jobs on LinkedIn and your list is getting a bit cluttered, you might want to clean it up. While LinkedIn doesn't have a straightforward delete button for applied jobs, there's a simple way to manage this by unsaving these job listings. Let's go through this process together. First, make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account. Head over to the LinkedIn website and enter your login credentials as prompted. Once you're in, take a look at the toolbar at the top of the page. You'll see several tabs there, like Home, My Network, and Jobs. Click on the Jobs tab to continue. Now, moving on to the next step, you're now in the Jobs section, which is your go-to place for anything related to employment opportunities on LinkedIn. At the top right of this page, you'll find the My Jobs section. Click on it to proceed. This area houses all the job listings you've interacted with, which includes those you've applied to and saved for later consideration. In your My Jobs section, you will see a list of job posts. Browse through your list and find the specific job you wish to unsave. Once you locate it, look for the icon with 3 dots, often referred to as the More menu, next to the job title. Click on those 3 dots to reveal a small drop-down menu. In this menu, among a few other options, you'll see the Unsave choice. Go ahead and click on Unsave. Voila! The job post will no longer appear in your saved or applied jobs list. While this doesn't technically delete the application, it helps you manage and declutter your list, making your job search process more organized and less overwhelming. To recap, while LinkedIn doesn't let you remove applications after they've been submitted, you can still keep your job list tidy by unsaving jobs. This practice can help you focus on current opportunities or simply remove listings you're no longer interested in. And there you have it, a simple solution for managing your applied jobs on LinkedIn. Remember, maintaining an organized list can be an essential part of your job search strategy. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more great tips and tutorials. See you next time.